Good morning, this is Shannon, Birdsong Quilting, coming to you live 9:15 every Wednesday morning. And today we're going to talk about just a few quick things, and I want to show you something real special. So first thing I wanted to let you know was we cut some 1-yard cuts for the show. We have these on sale for $7.50 at the shop while supplies last. We had a handful of older 1-yard cuts. We have these on sale for $5. Remember, older ones, new ones include boutiques, $5 a yard, $7.50 a yard. So come check out that. Along those same lines, I have some old pattern books I'm going to sell for $7.50. Most of these are priced more than double of that, so they're more than half off. And these old patterns, $2.50 a piece. There's a great one in here that I love, which would be great for the kids or grandkids, the bundle bed. It's a simple pattern, goes together, stuff it with pillows, and you have the perfect sleepover. And then I want to show you the painted moon. I showed this last week. This is Boot Camp 201. And now it's bound and all pretty, and we'll hang it. That class is on the calendar under the classes tab. So we would love to have you sign up and teach you some more advanced techniques if you've only been quilting for a while, or if you've never done half square triangles using the triangle method. So that's a great thing to learn. There are still lots of patterns out there that have you cut triangles. Now, ready? This is a special day because I get to do an unboxing at the same time I do a Facebook Live. So this all came in last night. Thank goodness Ruth and I were here still with customers at 4:30, because this all came in at 4:30 last night. And I know for a fact that there are new pre-cuts called Transparency, and some accompanying bolts to go with it. And then we have a whole new blender line that has arrived. It's called Color Weave. Oh, my plan is spoiled, Ruth. I think the scissors stuck. I told Ruth not to undo these straps.
I started to.
I think it's fun to undo them on camera, but maybe not so fun if
We have EMT standing by.
we have the EMT standing by. According to me. All right, hold on. I really wanted to do this on camera, but let's see what these are. This is Color Weave. So they are tone-on tones with a little tiny on-point crosshatch. Do you want me to strip the...
Yes, please.
And there's like, I wonder how many colors, Amy, do you know?
There's quite a bit.
30, 60. It's all of these boxes full of double bolts. So several shades of purple, several shades of reds and pinks. So come and see this. We are going to get it inventory today and tomorrow when Sarah's here, and we'll have it on the floor for you right away. Love it. It's going to go on our color wall. That's why we are in front of the color wall today. And you know what that means? That means some of this is coming down and going to clearance. So we'll see you guys soon. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day.